Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spotted puff spot. Jeff of peas.
Drop the data, now we plant exotic peas.
Y'all, good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. The house is a mess. I don't care. I'm about to take this tree down. I mean, the sugar cookie for breakfast. That's how lit we got last night at the surprise farewell party for me. It was so sweet, so nice. Oh my God, I love my friends. Today, I got on acne patches today. But right now, we about to take the tree down. And then after we take the tree down, we're gonna clean up. But I have got most of the tree down already. Here's the tree. Most of the stuff, well, I ain't gonna say most of it down, but it's kind of empty a little bit. I'm taking the sticks down. I got most of the little things that I put together down. But that shit's still there. Hey, go see. I got most of the bows off, the balls. It's a few things like right there. But, hey, go see. For the most part, we working our way with the shit off the tree. Yeah, so we just finished putting the stuff that we wanted to put in the garage because we moved the couches into the garage because we wanted to have room when we started packing up the boxes so we can just slide all the boxes to the living room and then we can just basically clear out the back of the house and move everything to the front, right? So we took a brief intermission to come to Walmart to get some storage bins, but the Walmart by my house only had one. So we're going to go to another Walmart and get some more. But Babe was like, man, I had some McDonald's the other day and it was so good. And I was like, what? And I didn't know. He was telling me that, yeah, you just got to say made, what is it?
Made to order.
Made to order. And they make everything fresh. Instead of it being like the luck of the draw that it was fresh. I was like, really, which is dumb because I feel like they should be making your shit fresh anyway. But it's a thing. So when I get there to order, I'm ordering, but I said made to order at the end. And she was like, oh, next time just say it in the beginning because it's put in as made to order. And I'm like, okay. So when I pull up to the window, you know, we paid. And then they was like, oh, go over there because we about to make it fresh. And I'm like, okay. But in my head, I'm thinking like, why y'all not making food fresh anyway? Like, people would probably like McDonald's more if it was always fresh. So I didn't know that was a thing. So if you pull up and you want to order a McDonald's, just say made to order and then order your food. Everything gonna be piping hot fresh. You ain't never gotta worry about it ain't being fresh. Cause you know, to get fresh fries, we used to say no salt. So they knew they had to make your fries because they had no salt. But now, just say made to order. Fun fact. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all. Look at Ghost in that purse. Go see. Ghost. Go see. Hey.
Looked at you like, what do you want from me?
Shit. Hot, fresh, just for you. That is insane. So that mean any other day they just give you whatever the fuck?
Right.
Whatever boom fuck. That's crazy. Made it to Walmart. They don't have any more of the clear containers, so I think people bought them all out because of Christmas, so we had to get these. We also got some boxes. Y'all know the military reimburses us all this packing stuff when we get to packing anyway, so it really doesn't matter. We're gonna turn them in at the end. But we're in here because Bae is gonna make us some crock pot soup that he normally makes, so we're getting some chicken right now. Yeah, we're getting some chicken. Ghost is right here acting like he's freezing. Hey, let me see what kind of beans you got. He got some butter beans in a can. You know they got them frozen too? Bro, he bougie. He don't want to use this chicken. He want some cut up already chicken. And I could have just cut up the chicken. Ghosty. Hey, Ghosty. Hey, Stinker. Hey. Paw. 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 Give mommy paw. You scared? You scared? Mommy, give mommy paw. Hey, Stinker. Nah. He put potatoes in the soup, man. I guess it's his soup, so we'll let him make it how he want to make it. But why we can't put no potatoes in the soup? Sorry, we can't see. Go, she should have barked at him. Y'all, he won't let me put no potatoes. This the frozen? He won't let me put no potatoes in his soup. Rude. And I don't know, he got some butter beans, but I told him they also got those beans in the frozen aisle. We're going to go see, do they got some? I don't see none though. Yeah. All right, y'all, we back at the house. I'm about to pack up the rest of this Christmas stuff right here. We have taken out the couches and everything out of the house. I'm probably gonna pack up that liquor stuff tomorrow. The rest of this Christmas stuff right here. And then we'll have the whole living room empty to be able to start packing up the back of the house and moving the boxes up to the front. Y'all, I got most of all the decor over here. The living room decor is packed up. The living room is pretty empty. I'm about to do the bar cart next. Then once I do the bar cart, it's pretty much done in here. We'll be working on the kitchen. Everything from up here is gone. The rest of the Christmas decor is right there. This is empty. This is gonna be going down the alleyway. This is gonna be going down the alleyway. And then, where you going? Then this is gonna be going down the alleyway. Y'all, it's time to pack up the bar cart.
Yeah.
Bar cart. Time to pack up the bar cart. All right, y'all, I'm about to start packing up all my liquor and stuff like that. This is pretty much all my liquor from different countries that I have been to. All the shot glasses, all the liquor. Like, I am missing some liquor. Like, I'm also missing some shot glasses. I'm also missing some money because sometimes I do forget. when I be traveling. But I try not to forget to get the currency, the shot glass, the liquor, and a Pandora charm if they have Pandora. But yeah, this is pretty much different locations. And the liquor is supposed to be the liquor that you can only get in that place. I didn't have this Hennessy bottle so long. This was back when you can only get the liquor. But now you can get white Hennessy over here. But back when I got that bottle, you couldn't. That bottle is old as hell. But yeah, I'm about to wipe it all down. Wipe all this liquor over here down. Wipe the bar cart down. And then get ready to pack it up in a box. But yeah, this is my currency. I got shot glasses here. Yeah. I've been a whole lot of places. And I want to at least go like maybe 3 places in 2024. I don't know. But yeah, about to get ready to pack up. The living room is pretty much empty. Look at Ghost over there in that house. But yeah, this stuff needs to go to the garage tomorrow. These are some totes that we got today. And while I'm doing that, Bae is over here cooking this shit on high. Boiling the fuck out of this shit. But yeah. Then tomorrow I start packing up the kitchen. But yeah, we basically got the living room cleared out and empty. I just be having this shit on my bar cart, but I don't drink this shit. I do fuck with a Neho though. This pretty good too. All right, y'all. I ain't packing nothing else, but I'm about to, while I'm waiting on the food, start taking down some of these dishes. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, I did not go to work today. I am actually about to pack up the kitchen because I did not pack up the kitchen the other day on here. I was being very lazy. I did not pack it up. But the living room is empty, as y'all already know. I didn't pack it up yesterday. So I was like, oh, let me pack it up today. But first I need to run to the U-Haul place and get some dishes boxes. Because at first I just was going to wrap them in paper, then wrap them in bubble wrap and just put them in a box. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just go get the dishes boxes so I won't have to worry about them being broke or whatever. So that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go run to U-Haul right quick, come back while I'm motivated, and finish packing the kitchen because I was procrastinating. And we don't want to procrastinate, especially since we're starting early with the move now and we have like time to just take the time anyway. So yeah, I want to go ahead and get the kitchen out of the way. So I'll come back to y'all. I'll meet y'all at the U-Haul place.
Out this way, you already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I'll never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, but call my homegirl, tell your best friend, decide to on the low.
What's up, y'all? I'm leaving out of the U-Haul right now. I just picked up some boxes. I got like some dishes boxes and some cup boxes and some wardrobe boxes. I mean, you could just use a box and throw your clothes in the box on the hanger, a little $2 box, but I don't know. I always like to get the wardrobe boxes that are expensive as hell and use those to pack stuff. I don't know why, because it's just an extra expense, but I like those boxes. So we went, damn, I left my water at home. So yeah, we did go get some of those boxes, and then now we're done. We're finna go back home so we can start packing the kitchen. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm back. I have the dish saver kit the U-Haul place. Different people sell it. You can get this off Amazon. You can get it. Walmart even have one, but you know, that's just an idea. But you have to put it together. Have to put the box together. It does come with the little sleeves for your dishes. And I only bought one because I was like, I'm going to see how many I need. Because, baby, I stack them. Wait a minute. Child, I know you fucking lying. Yeah, it don't actually give you the box. It don't. Y'all, they don't. Because I know y'all didn't make me pay $9 for just this. I don't even know if I got a box this size. I don't even have a box that size. Y'all, I could have made that myself. I thought it'd at least give you the box. Bitch, it don't even give you the box. I could have made dividers. It... Ciao. But y'all, I'm probably going to turn on a YouTube video. I see Park Avenue is on. So I'm probably gonna watch her. And I'll probably show y'all a little bit of me packing, but first of all, let's see to this box. So I have a small box. I have 2 boxes because I have this one, but this one is kind of deep. This one is kind of deep, but it does. Oh shit! It does fit though in here without me having to fold the box. Try. So it does have another box. Girl, that can piss me off because it literally looks like the box is provided on the damn pack. Like, placed into box as shown. Bitch, what box? That just pissed me off. I'm probably gonna use this small box. Okay, let's see what it fit in here. I don't even think it's gonna fit in here. I think I'm gonna have to. Okay. Girl, this don't even fit in this box. No, it doesn't. It's meant to though. Cause fuck that. You're going in here. Girl, I'm going back to U-Haul tomorrow. I'm be like, y'all don't put the fucking dishes in here? Like, that's what I'm gonna say. Like, are you fucking kidding me? But yeah, I'm gonna pack these in this box. I don't know. I might stick more plates in it. I'm gonna stick plates in between. I'm gonna leave this plate out just in case the bitch wants some bacon. I got these clear plates, and I really need to get rid of these little dirty ass clear plates. I still be keeping these damn plates. They all scuffed up. I still be holding on to them. All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I finished packing the dishes. I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. I should have took this shit back because this was damn $20. But I'm gonna keep it since I already got it. They most definitely could have said that it don't come with a damn box. So I could have got a box. Child. This shit pissing me off. But these boxes ain't working. It ain't gonna work. I should have got some more tape when I was in Walmart. I'm about to pack these glasses right now. They're, I ain't never used these, but these are stupid. It don't come with the fucking box. Okay, I can put some other shit on the other side. Like, I got like these bowls. I can put the bowls on the side. Let me get some bubble wrap. So I can put these bowls on the side to keep it up. I should just put this on the floor. I should have put it on top of the tuck box, but that's what I was using because it's high enough. I don't really want to be in way down there. Something in the middle of that. And then once I get all the glasses in here, like so, I would I'm gonna lay some on top and then I'm gonna lay stuff on top. Yeah, I'm gonna finish putting these glasses up and I'll be back. All right, y'all, what's up? I have took a small break iteration because number one, I had ran out of bubble wrap, so I had needed to go get some bubble wrap anyway. But then I decided that I wanted some nachos, so I'm about to make us some nachos if I can find some free real estate in here to cut up some stuff to actually cut up stuff. I don't know what my purple knife is, but it might be in the sink. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to just cut up some stuff that's gonna go in it on top of the nachos, basically. Like on top of the nachos. And I don't even know if I'm gonna get back to packing once I get to cooking these nachos, because I think I'm in the bed after that. It's what it's giving. It's giving bedtime after that. So, but yeah, I'm about to cut up all the things that I need to cut up for the nachos. And then,
when we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like all we do is fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, can we work it out? Cause I don't wanna be, I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna go, so sure that I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna go, sure that I don't wanna be, you realize.
y'all, so the nachos are done. I already tasted one. They're really good. My phone had died earlier when I was trying to show y'all, but we didn't damn near fuck this up. But it was so good. It was seasoned so good. Like this was better than what we had at damn. What's that? What we just ate at? Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah.
This was fire, and I like it because I put it all the way through to the chip, and not just like on top. But yeah. What's up, y'all? Happy Tuesday. I want to say happy Tuesday. I had to hurry up and run to go get my nails done. I almost forgot that I had a pedicure and a nail shop appointment today. I was like, what the hell? I just so happened to get a text message and I was like, ooh, I almost forgot. So yeah, I'm about to get ready to run up in here to this nail shop so I can get my nails done. Facts.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.